Yo, yeah, that's me. When I'm going out too much, said they be out to me about page, so Babe, who was I gonna call? Come on, 2 and 4, 3. Sir, NDC youth now. Me catch them. Some me talk no. Me talk about that. I don't belong to any political party. Intimunya sa Jimmy Sim na bimu no. When you video, then they think that you are trying to speak against fix the country, or you are trying to speak against Trinidadians or those guys. You know, they just come and pay me writing nonsense. Akufo Addo na idea about Eish, Akufo Addo here. You guys were insulting Mahama. Mahama is better than Akufo Addo. We even regret. Why should you even tell me that, bro? Why should you even come on my page to tell me that nonsense? Do I care about that? Why should you even come on my page and come and tell me say Mahama is better than Akufo Addo? Don't come and tell me that nonsense. I'm not into any. I'm not part of your political useless agendas. Never come on one page to come and write those nonsense for me. So what I say? More because MPP were power, you know. So fix the country. The more air possible because MPP were power, you know. And this is for you. They must story now. And nobody can tell me something make me boy. And this youth, I know say a lot of people are also a part of MPP. Everybody want the country to go war. Nobody will tell you say Ghana no. Obi and Pegana ye, Obi and Pegana ye. But be now more than mobile. I'm with you. Tell me no can cause NDC youth because my messages are. I know the reason I'm saying this, and nobody will come and tell me say me boy. Then hammer. More than hammer. Ghana be here. Sabi. My mama say so na. And this year, how many years? I'll be how many years? Okay, so one can't tell me. It's a young people buy now for there will be can be a mobile junk account, mobile can someone who actually part. And when I was talking, did I speak in favor of any political party? When I was making my videos, did I speak in favor of any political party? You guys should stop that joke. And let me tell you, you said you need more, but some of us we are well cultured. We have ethics. We have courtesy. So we never come on a page just to place any insult on anybody. But so balance over Yemia that I will respond to you accordingly. You understand me? Balance over Yemia, I will respond to you accordingly. Who Abraham Ben will say, Baomia Kokasa said he knows what he's saying. He only understands what he heard or what he saw. America said, and Aquanyana, but transfer principalities and demons now operating as a hammer, a Aquanyana. A farm by are you way about me? But then I was on that you like the same dreams now, or and no Sunyana, everybody and Obia in the spirit that anymore. So, about me, I said, I don't know, I'm Aquanyana, just know he has seen it, whether it be in the physical or spiritual view. Say demons and spirit principalities and it is what I say how dare you come out and insult the man like that? And I'm crying then I'm crying Ghana or you then I'm then Jimmy Sam crying no. Who Abraham Ben Moshe who Abraham Ben Moshe. Who no CSF when you Jimmy Crossing will be South CSF now family now. You have people who are we have so-called celebrities be on my actually sponsoring, you know, what Jimmy person who have them. Now what's one chance about me? I must me man who so circumstances now will be here. You know, wake up in the morning and send money to this guy, Abraham Moshe. You know, wake up in the morning and send and remit money from here in America to this guy. So who share the deals for CSF? And I said, they thought in CSF what T-shirt and I CSF what cap. And how their contribution towards what CSF. Okay, common sense family. Tell me your agenda. Hey, you guys are so aimless that means just simple sir. Obia be institutional. Whoever that opens any institution, for instance, OBC school. That's what training people in that institution. They have a very what. They have an objective. For instance, maybe a school you know, your man can fly that question be say, I be born in Ghana. What I say, and I say be a Obiacha, sorry, they have an aim, they have objectives. Okay, Obia forming NGOB, they have objectives. NGO Crampo, no more in say Nyasa be say NGO way. Abwa maybe your mom to take rural areas. What I say. Now what be a common sense family? What be a CSF? With an objective say where the Google Christosum, over religion. And you have some people who just support your stupid ideas, stupid agenda. So much miss and come on. Just to go on air and go and talk. You guys are so stupid. You guys are so aimless. Just me who will be what Jimmy says I CSF for another. Say what you mean, come on, Abraham Moshe, he said, on fire. Some more sponsor just to come on air and come and speak. Say the Google Christosum. When Jimmy cried too much. Me who been put that. Once I'm cross again, after the home. Oh, Abraham, and I said, what's your platform? So say, face the country the Monamo Cocoeno. Or be for contribution, move for bass, my use, no. Cape Coast, my fabas, you take buses from all over the regions. So people should send more money to you, Abraham. Oh, Shubai. When you finish, you come and talk and say, you know, more sorry, Ajumani ho. The little that they have, you want to brainwash them to send money to you. What do you want? Tell me whatever job that you have. Say, Ajuma we have to see us. But me who tell me such a man out here no. When you Jimmy no. When you Jimmy na sabu much one must in maybe anyone. America na much America has a company. I'm the America to a compagano. I'm the with God. What I say, they will tell you in God we trust. Your so-called Nanoma must say, Omuja man, Nanoma Boam, Nanoma is so powerful. Nanoma they could have developed the nation Ghana a long time. Tama Christianity, I must say Emma Ghana no. So Nanoma. So you believe in Nanoma, they are so powerful. Nanoma, like we have to go back to our roots. They should have done a lot of things for Ghana. If they are so powerful. If the Nananum are so powerful, they should have done a lot of things for Ghana. And yes, and then because I'm not Christian Bianco Honko say. Na Christianity in Ghana and say more bosom no. So what I say? Then say more bosom no. So if you think that Nananum is so powerful, now ancestors are so powerful. Then can come Ghana a long time. Come Ghana a long time, and yet you guys will wake up and come on social media and come and say all kind of nonsense against the leaders. And I want to know, and then I got start here now. I don't support anybody or come or Baba page, not by yet leaders. Also, we say, oh, Papa, no, my baby. You are not done with your moon yet. On your Papa, no, my so when young son also saw about Jim said, your forefathers want to tell us the respect to Bumpanifu, who made your man, penny for some penny for my Jimmy. What Jimmy, who will be a Jimmy? When Jimmy Young also be so Jimmy. Who will be a Jimmy? But me and Akufo Addo money, my money, selling Katamana 77 use more.